The heating system in our house is a gas furnace that sends warm air to each room through ducts. Now, most of the places where the warm air is blown out are near walls with windows. If you observe the hot air blowing out, you will find that half of it goes inside the curtains and is cooled by the cold window glass, thus reducing the heating effect by half. The cold outside can penetrate into the rooms even with double-paned glass. In our house, we have replaced wooden blinds and double curtains with thin lace curtains and thicker curtains for protection against the cold to improve heat retention. To keep the warm air from going to the window, I made a rectifying board like the one I am holding in my hand. The board works great and no warm air goes into the curtains at all. It can also be used as a cover to keep dust out of the air vents when not in use in the spring or fall. I have also made a taller version to accommodate high curtain hems. I also have tried using motorized forced ducts like the one in the photo, but the electricity is a pain to turn on and off, and the noise is surprisingly grating in a quiet room. I fabricated 9 of these and installed them in my living room and bedroom, including the kitchen. I am very satisfied with them.